So first one we're going to do is what is known as Mandukasana. Baba Ramdev very highly recommends that Mandukasana should be done to help diabetes. So you go into Vajrasana, so fold your right leg, then fold your left leg. So you go into Vajrasana. Now, Vyasa follows somebody's research. So some doctor in Hyderabad, a hospital, that Mandukasana or similar asana in Yoga Mudra should not be performed by diabetic patients. What you are doing is, whatever practice you're going to follow, you are doing it at your own risk. And listen to your body. Body is our guru. He says, don't do it, you don't do that. Body allows you and your mind allows you, you can do that. So in Mandukasana, go to Adi Mudra, fold your thumb and fold fingers over your thumb. So this is Adi Mudra. Then make it Brahma Mudra, where you bring your thumbs to your belly button. So inhale, as we exhale, fold forward. We're going to modify the classical Mandukasana. So as you exhale, you're going to do humming. So as you fold forward, you look about 3-4 feet away from you. Keep your head up. And for 11 seconds, you're going to keep the breath out, the whole breath out. Come up. Inhale. Now, second variation is put your right palm on your belly button, left palm above it. So inhale. Come up. Inhale. Release the breath. Just to remind everyone that anytime you are doing any posture, any asana practice, or any yoga practice, or for that matter, a normal routine, we should maintain Kechari Mudra, connecting the tip of the tongue to the palate, and maintain the beautiful smile as much as we can. So inhale again. Now we're going to change back to fist. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Release. And the left palm on belly button, right palm above it. So inhale. Up. Inhale. Release. Again, with the fist. Inhale. Up. Inhale. Let go. I recommend 11 rounds. Every session I do this. So how did you enjoy this practice? Please subscribe to Nataraja Yoga, and if you want to be on our mailing list, please go to the link below and join our mailing list. By joining us, you are making a really great, good decision. It will help you, nothing but help you. So stay with good yoga practices every day, every moment of your life.